Come on, road, here we come. Heard you were a wild one. Oh.
The mango puffers. Oh, mango. Oh, you look like a little jackal. I'm here to visit.
Look at Sierra, we're at Jalama. Mango, come here. Come on, you guys. Mango. Come on, Mango. This is where the...
Bye, amigo. I'll miss you. Even though you didn't want to say hi. Baby, sing me a 12-bar blues song for the doggies.
Well, we had a crescent moon last night. It was small, but not very much light. We got some waves all week now. We got some choice waves and lots of rides. Well, Emil caught more waves than anyone, but the D-man was right behind. Down on and down on and down and down. Boom, boom. Well, Emil's whacked the surfboard. It's the last day out. I'm eating my burrito with sour cream and no sauerkraut. But we got the Jalama blues. We got the Jalama leaving blues. 'Cause I'm about to put my wetsuit on, catch the last waves of these blues. Well, I'm leaving in today now. Too bad we got the Jalama blues. Down, 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 down. Wow.